And for our last notes on organic compounds, we're going to look at carboxylic acids. And so carboxylic acids are a chain of carbons plus carbon with that double bonded O plus an OH. So that hydroxyl group is back again. We're going to call it oic acid. We need to name this, and it looks very overwhelming to name, but again, if we draw it, not so bad. So we have CH3, CH2, CH2, and then COOH. I can now see that it's 1, 2, 3, 4 for butane. So I'm going to call it butanoic acid. If I need to draw one, again, I'm going to start with my chain, pentanoic. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for my carbons. And then on this very last one, I'm going to put that double bond O, OH. I'm going to go back in and fill in my hydrogens. And there, I have pentanoic acid. And then esters are related because we're going to take that H that we have on the end of our carboxylic acids and replace it with another functional group. So here I have a chain of carbons, my C double bond O. This was an H, and now it's been replaced with carbons. And the ending is YL and then O8. And we're going to use those for our two words. So here we go. We have this long one to name here. So again, we'll draw it out to make it simpler. So CH3, CH2, CH2, and then all these O's are in here, but it's C double bond O, and then O, and then CH3. So this is my big, large group here, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons. This is my group that's attached onto the end here, and that's 1 carbon. So I'm going to call this methyl. There's my YL, there's my methyl group, and then these 4 carbons, 1, 2, 3, 4, butanoate. And then, if I need to draw this, so I have ethyl pentanoate. I'm going to go ahead and work this backwards and do the pentanoate first. So pent is 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I know on my last one here, I have this double bond O and then O. And then it says ethyl. And ethyl means that I have 2. So 1, 2. I go back in and fill in all of my hydrogens. This carbon is good. And there I have ethyl pentanoate.